and welcome to my channel, The Everyday Miracle by Denise. So are you wondering what essential oils are good for your spiritual practice, or even what the best essential oils are for meditation and balance? In this video, I will go over some of my favorite essential oils to help me get grounded before pulling my oracle cards and for staying in a detached observer mode, which helps with connecting with spirit and gaining greater insights into the understanding and the meaning of the cards we pull. So hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Denise Ari, and I am a certified oracle card reader and an elite wellness leader and essential oil educator with doTerra. So go ahead and hit the bell and click the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload a new video. I've been doing doTerra as a business for over 5 years, and I help women create freedom through the financial stability of running their own business with doTerra. And did you know that essential oils can naturally enhance your mental state and put you into an uplifted mood so that you feel awesome? I am super excited to show you some simple oil uses, and if you stick with me to the end of the video, I have a free gift for you. It is my free PDF where I share a list of the most powerful and enlightening questions for asking spirit and the oracle cards to help guide you in finding your true purpose and power. So let's get to it. So when I pull oracle cards, I love to diffuse an oil blend of grapefruit, lemon, Roman chamomile, frankincense, and Siberian fir. I use 2 drops of each oil, and this is the perfect grounding blend that also gives me an uplifting feeling from the citrus oils. With this diffusing in my mind in the right mood, I'm ready to see what Spirit has in store for us today. Are you ready? Okay, so we're about done with shuffling the cards here, and I will show you that this is the deck called the Enchanted Map by Colette Baron Reed, and this is one of my favorite decks. I'll put that out of the way there. So now that we have our cards shuffled, we will pull the top 3 cards. So the first card that I've pulled is card number 47, the Sacred Pool. And this card is in protection mode. Card number 2, this is card number 15, One Ring Circus. And card number 3. Card number 3 is card number 30, Making a Choice. So, these are our cards for today. Let me get those out of the way. And so, our first card here, card number 47, the Sacred Pool. This is basically where you are starting from, right? This is where you've been in your recent past, and it represents a reflection of your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. So in the recent past, you are feeling as if it is difficult to overcome denial when there is a reward for staying where you are. If you can't accept and love yourself, you remain untapped, wearing a false mask of victimhood. Dimming your light serves no one. So turning away from the truth that is reflected in the stillness of the sacred pool keeps you in denial. You're doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. Such efforts kind of lead to a tedious and boring existence. So what you need to do is let your beautiful light out into the world. Okay? Remember, you have a responsibility not just to yourself, but to the divine spark that is within you. Okay? So you need to let others see exactly who you are. Don't hide behind who you think you need to be. So that is kind of where you have been. And now this is where you are currently. So you've moved into a state of your life which represented by card number 15, which is One Ring Circus. And this card says you're capable and competent. Your independence is key now as you step into your journey. Others may not have the vision or the resources that you need. Recognize all the wisdom that you've acquired along the way, which makes you particularly competent and capable moving forward with assurance. Self-reliance is important. Another aspect to consider is creating and maintaining clear boundaries between you and another. Be discerning about your partnerships at this time. When you know who you are and have a healthy sense of where you end and others begin, you're able to enter into the best kind of relationships that will attract people who mirror back your wholeness, and you can achieve anything at this time. And now, where this is all going, we have pulled card number 30, making a choice in reverse. You are required to make a decision right now. So what is this card telling you? It's telling you that this is not a time to abdicate your responsibility for your life. Letting others choose for you doesn't make things easier. Don't compromise because you're afraid of facing the consequences of your choices. Even if you've opted for a difficult path, you can always make another choice in the future. There is great power in reclaiming your ability to choose. No one can take that away from you, no matter what. Don't give your power away. If you are brutally honest with yourself about your motives behind your choices, you may see the things that need to change. Okay? So just be willing to clean up what you have left behind. So, and just make choices. Don't give that to someone else. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you like my channel, click the subscribe button, and if you want to learn more about essential oils, I have a weekly online class that you're welcome to attend. I also have a free PDF that you can download where I have a complete list of the all-time best questions to ask Spirit when pulling oracle cards for yourself. You can find that along with my Essential Oils 101 guide in the description below. So have a nice day. Goodbye.